everyone, it's Rita with Everything Homemade, and we just brought in all those wonderful carrots. We put some in cold storage. We're going to dehydrate some, but how about make him into a wonderful carrot salad? I'm going to tell you a little bit about the salad because this isn't your everyday carrot salad. And when you think of a salad, it's not like a carrot salad usually doesn't just pop in your brain. But what happened was it was the dead of winter. And remember where we live, we can get minus 40 degrees Celsius, 3 or 4 feet of snow. It's cold, it's miserable, and I was making some kind of a meat dish, I can't remember, but I had rice with it and I was kind of bummed out because I had no fresh lettuce, I had no tomatoes, no cucumbers, nothing at all to make a great salad for my family. But what I did have was tons of carrots in cold storage. And so I basically brought up the carrots and I kind of just looked at them. I mean, the humble carrot, right? And I started grating a whole bunch. And from then I'm like, well, maybe I should throw in some cheese because I just made some homemade cheese. And then I was like, well, we have raisins downstairs. Why not chuck in some raisins? And then I put some hemp oil on with a dab of salt, mixed it all together. It sounds weird, but it is unbelievably good. And from there on, I'm known for this carrot salad that I've taken to people's homes for a side dish. I've made it for company, and everyone is absolutely taken away by how good it is. It's creamy with the cheese. Grating the carrots is essential than to just dicing it because the juices are released, and the creaminess with a little sweetness of the raisins with a little bit of hemp oil. You can use olive oil if you want, with a dab of salt, just kind of gives it that sweet with a little bit of added punch with the salt. It is to try, something you need to try. So Ocean is also dying to show you how to put this all together because this is one of her favorites. When I tell my children, and especially Ocean, that it is carrot salad on the menu tonight for supper as a side dish, it is all smiles. She is thrilled because she loves this particular salad. So I'm going to let her run through the ingredients one more time. Remember, this is a salad for a family of 8. Do a judgment call. You know how much salad you usually go. This isn't exact science. We Hershey-Dershey kind of things in together, but you will see what goes into it and then judge your proportions the way that you like it. So Ocean, are you ready?
Yes.
You're ready? Let's switch spots.
So let's make my favorite salad. So the first thing I'm going to do is we grated about 14 carrots in here, so I'm just going to grate the last one in. And then we're going to add the cheese. And we're using Havarti cheese, but you can use cheddar, mozzarella, it doesn't matter, whatever you prefer. And we're going to also add a couple cups of raisins and 2 tablespoons about of hemp oil. And then a couple dashes of salt.
Now, as she's grating, what's really important is with the hemp oil, why I chose the hemp oil is because of the nutty flavor. Hey, Ocean?
Yes.
It has this another dimension of flavor than the olive oil, but olive oil, there's no problem in using olive oil, but it does change the flavor of the salad a little bit over the hemp oil. Gives just this, it's like another dimension, isn't it?
Yes, it adds like this mixture of nutty flavor in.
With the creamy cheese.
It's so good.
It's so good. Okay, my mouth is watering for supper tonight.
Just can't wait.
Can't wait. Okay, but not to mention that we're gonna show them the plate, the plate what we're having for supper. Mm-hmm. Do you know the rest what we're having for supper tonight?
I think marinated beef.
I have a marinated roast, and I'm gonna make a beautiful gravy, and we're gonna have some baby potatoes beside it with this. And I'm gonna show you what all this looks like on a plate, just to show you how beautiful this salad looks on a plate with all the colors together.
So now I'm gonna add the 2 cups of cheese in, and I'm gonna make sure it's mixed really well so the cheese is nicely distributed instead of clumping all together in one spot. So now I'm gonna add in the raisins. And the cheese will get even better mixed when I mix all the other ingredients in, but for now it'll do. And I have about 2 cups raisins here. Mix it in. And I'm gonna add in a bit of salt in. Now I'm gonna mix it all in. And then I'll add some hemp oil. So now I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of hemp oil. And that is how simple this salad is to make. Now I'm just gonna mix it up really well, make sure all the ingredients are thoroughly put together. And I cannot wait for this supper and this delicious salad.
Now the other thing to remember is we are making this an hour before supper, and just like making a cabbage salad, I find it really important to give this about a half an hour at least ahead of time before supper is to be dished up, because the flavors will mingle. The carrot juices, the creaminess of the cheese, the added salt pulls out some of the carrot juices and really seals the deal with this salad. And that is how simple it is to make. It's beautiful with color. The white really pops, the raisins. It's just all around an unbelievably tasty salad.
So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.